Today we are going to talk about the world leader in branded residences. जिसके बारे में हम आज बात करने वाले हैं वो 2 डिकेड से ज्यादा ऑपरेशनल है, which has 16 luxury residential brand under its belt and it has 213 properties across the globe in JV with the local partners. Today we are going to talk about Marriott Residences और इसी के साथ हम बात करेंगे Marriott का एक ब्रांड Westin which is getting launched in India in Gurgaon in a joint venture with Whiteland Corporation. Marriott Residences is operational in 68 locations that includes countries, continents and cities. It is operational in the countries like US, China, UK, Canada, Costa Rica, Europe, Israel, Saudi, Morocco, Singapore and UAE. These are few of the countries where this brand is operational into luxury brand residences. And it has 16 luxury brands under it like Ritz-Carlton Residences, St. Regis Residences, JW Residences, Westin Residences, W Residences, Marriott Residences and Sheraton Residences. These are few of the brands which are operational under Marriott Global Group. And these Marriott Residences are operational in North America, Europe, Middle East, Africa. This makes it 155 operational projects and 100 projects in pipeline. They are operational in 49 countries and territories. They have a right mix of luxury and premium development. Around 76% of the developments comes under a luxury category and 24% of the development comes under a premium category. So as we said that Marriott is the world largest branded residences company. तो अगर मैं इसका comparison देता हूँ और branded residences के साथ, it dominates the whole market share. It has around 31% market share in global branded residences. The second one is Accor and the third one is Four Seasons. इसी में Emaar भी है, that is at the last, that is around 4.4%. As on this screen you can see the global share of branded residences across markets across globe. So you will be able to see how the Marriott is placed in comparison to its competition. इससे पहले कि हम आगे चलें और डिस्कस करें कि Marriott के क्या प्लान्स हैं इंडिया के अंदर, they are planning to launch their second development in India. They have already launched their first development in India, entire with Oberoi Realty in Mumbai, which is under the brand Ritz-Carlton Residences, which was a super successful launch of Mumbai. तो उससे पहले हम थोड़ा सा Marriott के पास के बारे में जानने की कोशिश करते हैं. मैंने अभी थोड़ा सा आपको बैकग्राउंड दिया Marriott का, कैसे वो किन किन कंट्रीज में ऑपरेशनल हैं और कौन कौन से ब्रांड्स उसके अंडर लाई करते हैं. इसी के साथ I just wanted to let you know that in 2000 the first branded residences was launched in Washington DC under the name Ritz-Carlton Residences. और इन्होंने 2010 के अंदर फोरे किया out of US and they went towards the globe and their first launch happened in Singapore under the name Ritz-Carlton Residences again. तो इस वीडियो के अंदर we will discuss about their operations in India and how their expansion plan is going to be. जो वो गुड़गांव के अंदर प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च कर रहे हैं entire with Whiteland Corporation, उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. We will try to understand the location, the product, उसके प्राइस पॉइंट्स, उसका पेमेंट प्लान, उसका फ्यूचर ट्रेजेक्टरी क्या हो सकता है. एट द सेम टाइम वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ब्रांडेड रेजिडेंसेस एंड द नॉर्मल रेजिडेंसेस और इन दोनों में इन्वेस्ट करके आपको क्या अपसाइड मिल सकती है. तो पहले हम अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं व्हाई ब्रांडेड रेजिडेंसेस आर सुपर सक्सेसफुल एंड एक्सेप्टेबल across globe. So the major reasons are the lifestyle, the address that particular residences give to you, the services जो आपको उस residential development के अंदर मिलती हैं, and the strong neighborhood and the people who buy these residences are who's who. तो आपको बहुत strong neighborhood मिलता है. You get 5-star club amenities and whatever you think for the clubhouse to have, these residences have in it. They offer wide glove concierge services and the most important thing that we can't miss is the appreciation. अगर मैं normal अपार्टमेंट्स और एक ब्रांडेड रेजिडेंसेस के बीच में कंपैरिजन करूं कि आज एक 100 रुपए के अंदर नॉर्मल अपार्टमेंट लॉन्च हुआ है तो उसकी ट्रेजेक्टरी क्या होगी और एक ब्रांडेड रेजिडेंसेस की क्या होगी. तो नॉर्मल अपार्टमेंट से जो ब्रांडेड रेजिडेंसेस हैं वो अराउंड 50% टू 150% का अपसाइड मार्जिन देता है. तो अगर आपने 100 रुपए लगा के एक नॉर्मल रेजिडेंसेस में 120 रुपए कमाए तो आप एक ब्रांडेड रेजिडेंसेस के अंदर 100 रुपए इन्वेस्ट करके आप 170 से 250 रुपए बना सकते हैं. और इसको मैं एक एग्जांपल के साथ जस्टिफाई करूंगा इस वीडियो के अंदर। तो हम एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं। बॉम्बे के अंदर रिट्ज कार्टन लॉन्च हुआ और उसी के बगल में लोधा वर्ल्ड टावर्स है वर्ली के अंदर। रिट्ज कार्टन रेजिडेंसेस भी वर्ली के अंदर है एंड लोधा वर्ल्ड टावर्स भी वर्ली के अंदर है, बॉम्बे के अंदर। तो आज की डेट में लोधा वर्ल्ड टावर्स ट्रेड करते हैं अराउंड 51,000 रुपीज पर स्क्वायर फीट के आसपास। एट द सेम टाइम रिट्ज कार्टन रेजिडेंसेस आर ऑपरेटिंग एट अ प्राइस ऑफ 1.5 लाख rupees per square feet. So that's a kind of huge gap, huge margin that you can make by investing into these residences. So exclusivity plays a lot of role. तो जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि मैरियट ने अपने ब्रांडेड रेजिडेंसेस इंडिया के अंदर सिर्फ आज तक दो ही लॉन्च करे हैं। फर्स्ट इज रिट्ज कार्टन मुंबई एंड जॉइंट वेंचर विद ओबरॉय रियलिटी विच इज named as 360 West Ritz Carlton Residences। और सेकंड रेजिडेंसेस जो ये इन्होंने अभी रिसेंटली लॉन्च करा है दैट इज इन गुड़गांव इन सेक्टर 103 द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे, दैट इज इन जॉइंट वेंचर विद व्हाइटलैंड कॉर्पोरेशन, दैट इज वेस्टर्न रेजिडेंसेस बाय व्हाइटलैंड। तो क्योंकि ये ब्रांच बहुत लिमिटेड है मार्केट के अंदर, इंडिया के अंदर, तो एक एक्सक्लूसिविटी बन जाती है। दैट्स अ रीजन एज आई मेंशन्ड अर्लियर कि इसमें एप्रिसिएशन पोटेंशियल आता है एंड लिमिटेड पीपल कैन गेट इनटू इट बिकॉज अपार्टमेंट्स आर लिमिटेड, नॉट दैट मच। तो इससे पहले कि हम प्रोडक्ट पे जाएं उससे पहले मैं आपको बताता हूं कि ऑन 17 जुलाई 2024 बोथ द कंपनीज मैरियट रेजिडेंसेस एंड व्हाइटलैंड कॉर्पोरेशन केम इनटू एन एग्रीमेंट टू क्रिएट द सुपर लग्जरी डेवलपमेंट ऑन द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे व्हिच विल बी अंडर द ब्रांड वेस्टर्न रेजिडेंसेस एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द फर्स्ट वेस्टर्न रेजिडेंसेस इन इंडिया। और मैं आपको एक चीज और बताता हूं दैट वेस्टर्न रेजिडेंसेस बाय व्हाइटलैंड इज द ओनली प्रोजेक्ट इन इंडिया व्हिच इज मेंशन्ड ऑन द मैरियट रेजिडेंसेस वेबसाइट। तो व्हाइटलैंड ने अपने ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट करे अगस्त 2021 के अंदर। उन्होंने जो पहला अपना डेवलपमेंट लॉन्च किया दैट वाज अर्बन क्यूब्स इन सेक्टर 71। इट वाज अ वेरी स्मॉल कमर्शियल डेवलपमेंट, एक्चुअली इट वाज अ एससीओ डेवलपमेंट। तो उन्होंने सिर्फ 34 एससीओस को लॉन्च किया। इट वाज लॉन्च्ड एट अ प्राइस ऑफ 4.5 लाख रुपीस पर स्क्वायर यार्ड एंड राइट नाउ दैट्स ट्रेडिंग समवेयर अराउंड 8 लाख टू 10 लाख रुपीस पर स्क्वायर यार्ड। इट हैज बीन लीज्ड आउट ऑलरेडी। हल्दीराम ने अपने वहां पे ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट कर दिए हैं, डेवलपमेंट ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट हो चुकी है, द डिलीवरी हैज बीन ऑलरेडी गिवन टू द क्लाइंट्स। इसी के साथ दे लॉन्च देयर सेकंड प्रोजेक्ट इन अगस्त 2022 दैट वाज इन सेक्टर 76। This is just next to Privana ecosystem that's coming up in sector 76 and 77, and at the same time this is going to be just next to the Cyber City 2. So initially they launched a low-rise development of 7.23 acres with the name of Blissville. They had around 442 apartments. It was launched at a price of around 9,100 rupees per square feet, and right now it trades somewhere around 13,000 rupees per square feet. This development is totally sold off and it's operating at a premium of around 4,000 rupees per square feet in the resale market. इसी के साथ इन्होंने एक हाई राइज डेवलपमेंट को भी लॉन्च किया दैट वाज एस्पेन which was around 16.7 acres of development. Those were 852 apartments, 4 apartments to a floor. Shapurji Palaji Construction was taken as a construction partner and it was launched at a price of 10,000 rupees per square feet. Right now it trades somewhere around 14,000 rupees per square feet. And they also launched an iconic tower in it that was launched at 13,000 rupees per square feet. Right now it operates as 16,000 rupees per square feet. ये सारी चीजें मेंशन करने का मेरा रीजन ये था कि इन्होंने लास्ट दो जो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च करे हैं उसमें लोगों ने पैसे बनाए हैं एंड एट द सेम टाइम द कंस्ट्रक्शन इज मूविंग एट अ फास्ट pace. They have taken contractor as Hafiz contractor, construction partner as Shapurji Palanji. So the vision is clear, the value system is clear. They want to deliver a quality product to their customers and at the same time deliver a decent appreciation on the investment that the people have done. इसी के साथ इनके जो विजन है और इनके जो प्लान्स हैं, they already have 6 marquee development with around 12 million square feet under development. And they are going to have a top line revenue of around 35,000 to 40,000 rupees per square feet in next 5 years. That's the reason they are taking these steep jump and tying up with a global brand and delivering our quality product to the market. Now coming on to this project, that is Western Residences by Whiteland Corporation, that's in sector 103 Dwarka Expressway. So let's first understand the location of this particular development. This is around 100 meters from Dwarka Expressway. This is just behind the DPS International School that is on Dwarka Expressway. A superbly located product. अगर हम 103 सेक्टर के बारे में बात करते हैं तो दिस इज सेंट्रली लोकेटेड ऑन द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे। तो अगर आपको दिल्ली की तरफ जाना है या आपको गुड़गांव मेन की तरफ आना है, सो यू आर एट ए मिडल ऑफ द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे. And at the same time, the gallery of this particular product is going to get operational in next 1 month. and this is going to be one of the finest sales gallery of Dwarka Expressway in coming times. इसी के साथ ही I want to share with you that the global city is also coming up. That's going to be only 4 kilometers from here. That's going to be in sector 36 and that would be around 1,000 acres of development, which is going to have a mix of residential, commercial and retail. In fact, at the same time, the Cyber City 2 is coming up in sector 74A, 75A. That is also very close to sector 103. And that would be another 10 minutes drive from here, or when we say in kilometers, that would be around 8 kilometers from this particular location. So superbly located, and Marriott has done its due diligence before launching this product at that particular location. Marriott कभी भी अपने project को एक हल्की location पे launch नहीं करेगा, but they always launch their product at a aspiring location where they see the potential of that particular market and see a lot of commercial activity coming around it. Now coming on to the product, this is going to be around 20 acres of overall development. Around 13 towers are going to be there. It's going to have 2 iconic towers which is going to be launched at a future phase. There are going to be 2 sizes which are going to be there in this particular development. 3 BHKs which would be around 2600 square feet and 2900 square feet. These are going to be 4 apartments to a floor, which is going to have 8 elevators, and every 3 BHKs are going to have 2 master bedrooms. At the same time, the 4 BHKs would be approximately around 3700 square feet, 3900 square feet and 4300 square feet. And these are going to be 2 apartments to a floor, and it's going to have 4 elevators to it. The height of the building is going to be ground plus 44. It is going to have triple height lobby, which is going to be super luxury. इससे पहले मैंने आपको बताया था that Whiteland brings a quality and a world-renowned partners to its product. At the same time, in Western Residences, they are bringing architect as Hafiz contractor. Their internal consultant is BM&A. Their landscaping consultant is Coopers Hill, which is an award-winning consultancy. इसी के साथ ये जितने भी apartments होंगे, these are going to be corner unit, as all the towers are going to be independent towers. None of the towers are going to be adjoined with any other tower. The clubhouse is going to be massive. It's going to be 1.75 lakh square feet. और सबसे बड़ी बात कि ये जो मैं 20 एकड़ के बारे में बात कर रहा हूं, तो कंस्ट्रक्शन फुटप्रिंट वुड बी वेरी लिमिटेड. इट वुड बी ओनली ऑन द 10% ऑफ द टोटल ग्राउंड area, and rest of the areas would be used for the clubhouse and the green spaces. So it's going to have huge landscapes areas with the water bodies. There's going to be a lot of integration of skywalks and green spaces into the lobby spaces. तो बहुत ही elegantly इस development को बनाया जा रहा है, and they are moving under the guidelines of Marriott Residences. उनकी अपनी एक guidelines है to create a luxury development for the customers. कुछ और ऐसे एलिमेंट्स जो इसको बहुत यूनिक बनाता है, दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर डेवलपमेंट इज गोइंग टू हैव 550 स्टाफ ऑफ मैरियट ऑपरेटिंग इनटू योर कम्युनिटी. दैट मींस कि आपकी जो लग्जरी होगी, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी नेक्स्ट लेवल. एट द सेम टाइम देयर गोइंग टू बी 38 गेस्ट स्वीट्स विद इन द क्लब हाउस. अगर आपके घर कोई गेस्ट आते हैं तो दे कैन स्टे एट द क्लब हाउस इन दीज स्वीट्स. द फ्लोर टू सीलिंग हाइट is best in the class. That is going to be 11.5 feet. The kitchen is going to be fully modular with all the appliances into it, and the brand is going to be either Siemens or Miele. The washroom fittings are going to be of Toto, and the marble that will be used in the living and dining area and the bedrooms would be of Michael and Geno, which is one of the expensive marble that this development is utilizing into its construction. So the specifications are very high end, which fits into the Marriott Residences. ये जितनी भी गाइडलाइंस हैं, ये Marriott Residences से आई हैं, and the developer has to follow to deliver that. अब हम क्विकली इसकी प्राइसिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं. So the pricing is 25,750 per square feet. 25,750 रुपए का प्राइस है, बट इसके ऊपर डेवलपर राइट नाउ इज गिविंग एन इनॉग्रल रिबेट ऑफ अराउंड 11%. So the effective pricing comes out to be somewhere around 23,000 rupees per square feet. So right now the developer is giving a discount of around 11% as an inaugural discount, and plus 750 rupees per square feet as timely payment rebate. So the price comes out to be somewhere around 22,000 rupees per square feet. So the pricing is very competitive. As अगर हम बात करें कि किसी भी सिटी के अंदर एक ब्रांडेड रेजिडेंसेस लॉन्च होता है और नॉर्मल रेजिडेंसेस लॉन्च होता है, तो एटलीस्ट उसके अंदर 30% का एक डिफरेंस होता है. बट व्हाइटलैंड कॉर्पोरेशन इज लॉन्चिंग इट एट अ कॉम्पिटिटिव प्राइस, इन फैक्ट at a market price. अगर हम मैक्स एस्टेट की बात करते हैं, that's operating at a price of 21,000 rupees per square feet. Krisumi is operating at a price of 23-24,000 rupees per square feet. Elan 25,000 रुपए per square feet पे ऑपरेट कर रहा है. Soba Altus is again operating at a price of around 25,000 rupees per square feet. At the same time, M3M ने St. Andrews को launch किया है, that is at a price of around 26-27,000 rupees per square feet. So branded residences, that too of Marriott, the brand Westin, it makes lot of sense to invest into it at a price of 22,000 rupees per square feet. I think this is for very limited period and the prices are going to go drastically up. और जैसे जैसे इन्वेंट्री खत्म होती जाएगी, the prices are going to go up and there is going to be a journey to this particular product. इसी के साथ there is going to be an official launch of this particular product in next 30 to 45 days. Once the sales gallery is operational, the sample apartment is operational, and at that particular point these inaugural rebates are going to be removed and the price point would be 26,000 rupees per square feet and developer is not going to give you any discount on it. This is the right time to get into it if you plan to buy a branded residences, that's Westin Residences by Whiteland Corporation. तो अभी मैंने आपको competition के बारे में बताया, where the competition is operating near to this particular product. Now let's talk about its future trajectory and what are the positives and negatives of this particular product. Now when we talk about the future trajectory, there is going to be a lot of commercial activity that's coming around this particular product. Global City आ रहा है, Cyber City 2 आ रहा है पास में. Already we have seen the price points have gone and crossed 25,000 rupees per square feet on Dwarka Expressway. और जिस तरह Dwarka Expressway बन के आया है over a period of time, it will go up. अगर किसी का long term horizon है, then you can expect at least 35 to 40,000 rupees per square feet on this particular product by the time the possession or you take it around 4 years from now. इसके आसपास this particular product should operate because this is going to be an exclusive product. एक प्रोडक्ट की एक प्राइस जर्नी होती है. When it gets launched, उससे पहले एक सॉफ्ट लॉन्च होता है, तो सॉफ्ट लॉन्च में आपको एक बेनिफिट मिलता है. फिर जब ऑफिशियल लॉन्च होता है तो दैट हैपेंस एट ए हाई प्राइस. देन द प्राइसेस मूव अप एज द इन्वेंट्रीज गेट स्क्वीज्ड. बट आपका जो सब्सटेंशियल इंक्रीज आता है वंस द स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ दैट प्रॉपर्टी comes out, and the second substantial increase is once the possession of that particular property happens. लेकिन इसका मैं शायद इसके पेमेंट प्लान के बारे में बताना भूल गया था. इसका जो पेमेंट प्लान है that is 35 30 35. So stretched out पेमेंट प्लान है. आपको वो जो आज पे करना है 35% पे करना है. Then it will be paid over a period of 5 years because the possession of this property will take around 5 years from now. So you can be part of these branded residences by investing only 35%. You are leveraging on the full value of an apartment by investing only 35%, and you can gain on the full apartment appreciation. Now coming on to the positives and negatives. The positive is that this is the only branded residences in NCR from Marriott Group, and Marriott is known across globe for their branded residences developments. Second is the location. The location is superb. Third is Whiteland के execution. Whiteland have incorporated all the A-grade consultant into it. So finally, that gives you a comfort that this product is going to be delivered in a quality manner. Fourth is the price point. तो जो price point पे ये branded residences launch हो रहे हैं, that's very competitive to the market. In fact, ये normal residences के rates पे ही launch हो रहे हैं. And fifth is the payment plan. 35 30 35 का plan है, which is again lucrative to enter into. Now coming on to the negatives. The post-possession maintenance can be slightly higher, but I think that this particular answer can be just justified once we discuss it with the Whiteland people. So right now we can't show you the master layout plan or the floor plans on the screen right now, though we have it, but because this is a very exclusive product, you can only experience it once you see the presentation by your own eyes. So 20 acres, independent towers, 3 and 4 BHKs, combination, only 10% as a construction footprint, 90% as green areas and open areas, 1,75,000 square feet of clubhouse. ठीक है, ये सारी चीज़ें I would suggest that you connect with us. We will line up a personalized presentation for this particular product, wherein every element of the product will be shown to you. So herein ending it on Whiteland Corporation's Westin Residences. You can connect with us and our team for further insight into this product and a personalized presentation with the master layout plan, floor plans, the payment plans, everything. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube.